Nick Cannon is just one of Hollywood's many outspoken entertainers, but now that he's made a decision to suddenly quit his gig as the host of America's Got Talent, some are worried about his state of mind. According to the New York Post, page 6, Cannon has also fired his advisors, and now insiders are concerned about his mental health. Page 6 reports that Cannon has recently got really into religion, and we've seen him make an effort to wear turbans, but apparently he also refers to himself as Reverend Dr. Cannon. Now, as accomplished as he is, he's certainly not a doctor. We also know Cannon has recently suffered complications from lupus and posted about depression and pain on social media. Cannon claims that he quit his job at AGT, stating, "NBC believed I was in breach of contract because I had disparaged their brand." He said that after making a joke that NBC revoked his black card during his Showtime stand-up special. Needless to say, Cannon might have deeper reasons than just that. From famous and wealthy to the latest Belfie, come subscribe and like us to get the best celebrity news in the game. Splash News TV. We keep up with a lot more than just the Kardashians.